are powerful. Believe or not, your thoughts become your reality. Whatever you hold in your mind is what will you experience in your life. Let's look to my slide. Today, overthinking, insecurities, pessimistic, and other words there, those are something that's so near with every people. I thought you may feel it, or maybe you're feeling it right now. To avoid this situation, start from control your brain to have positive thinking. I'm sure all of you familiar with the quote, the positive thinking, but this idea only we read and we forgot it, isn't it? So by this speech, I want to persuade everyone here to figure out what is the meaning of positive thinking and truly believe if positive thinking gives benefit for ourselves. At the beginning, the definition of positive thinking is an emotional and mental attitude that focuses on the good and the expect result that will benefit you. It means with positive thinking, you can lead to have positive change within lifestyle, personality, and you can give your contribution to those around you and yourselves. In other words, positive thinking is all about self-improvement and believing that you can become the person you want to be. Here the slide shows a research from Barbara Fredrickson. From the research, positive thinking is much more than just being happy, but it can actually create real value in your life and help you with skills that last much longer than a smile. So, the most important question is how positive thinking could build yourselves? Well, most time we have too much expect about ourselves that allow overthinking about fearful to lead negative thoughts. For example, if you tell yourself it is too much work to do and difficult things to do by yourself, your mind becomes flooded with the negative thoughts and you are unable to process the control of your brain. So positive thinking help you battle this problem. First, with positive thinking, you can transform the negative self-talk into positive self-talk. And when you have a negative message about yourself, stop and replace it with a positive one. It could help you to control your brain and taking a step back to allowing yourself believe you can actually succeed. Second, positive thinking trains you to focus on the good thing and the present. The effort is more important than the result. Focus only on the benefits of the situation. However, it is small and unimportant for anyone. With positive thinking, you are usual to clear your mind to do what really needs to be done. The third, making a positive attitude in your life make you more take care for yourself. You could start from have a good habit, such as start the day with the positive hope. Your mood can easily improve your around. The best way to get anything out of positive thinking is to allow changes happen from the small way. Have you ever been in the situation when someone around you was in a bad mood and then soon everyone there loved the situation? So with positive thinking, you could wait to be a humorous person and allow to crack a joke in the most trying situation. No matter how worse the situation, you could support yourself. Be the person who inspires instead of feed the negative thoughts. I'd like to give one quotation from Jacob Held. By Jacob Held, we are faced that the reality of taking our lives is out in our hands. This could begin with positive thinking. Because of what? Because positive thinking is about maintaining hope, not expecting things to be all good. We couldn't avoid sadness. We couldn't have trouble. We couldn't hide from difficult things in our life. It will happen. But it's all about how we could control ourselves to have positive thinking and believe if everything will be okay. Positive thinking can help you if you let it. Life is about how you make it. Finally, positive thinking offers you to be more confident, improve your mood, and reduce you to be healthier. It is the time for a change. Start your day with positive thinking. It could help you to start your life. Abraham Lincoln said, "The best way to predict your future is to create it." Let's start with the future from the positive thinking nowadays. I am Dita Aditya. Thank you.